Today we're going to talk about online payment on permit to transport. On your Google Chrome browser, type Linkbis portal and hit enter. Click on the Land Bank of the Philippines, which was shown on the circle. Click Pay Now on the text box. Type letter P to sort all the merchants that starts from letter P. And then type choose Philippine National Police and click continue. And then choose the transaction type that you're applying for. Click permit to transport. Then choose your payment option. Either it is Land Bank, Asia United Bank, BPI, etc. Then provide necessary information and click continue. This will be the appearance of your receipt. Just click the checkbox that I certify, then proceed. Then just provide necessary information and click submit. This is the example of SBR, and on the upper right corner you will be able to see the OP number. Thank you for watching, and leaving you a message from Benjamin Franklin. He that can have patience can have what he will. Again, thank you very much.